Ever find yourself bouncing between emails, calls, and documents, feeling like a productivity ninja? We've all been there, convinced that juggling multiple tasks simultaneously makes us more efficient, more capable. But what if everything we thought about multitasking was fundamentally wrong, and the very act we believe boosts our output is actually holding us back? In today's video, we're diving deep into the truth about multitasking. We'll dismantle common myths, explore the fascinating science behind how our brains truly work, and uncover why embracing a different approach can unlock unprecedented levels of focus and effectiveness. Get ready to rethink your daily grind. Let's begin by shattering the biggest myth, that humans can genuinely multitask complex cognitive activities. The reality is, what we perceive as multitasking is almost always task switching. Your brain isn't processing two demanding streams of information concurrently. Instead, it's rapidly, almost imperceptibly, shifting its attention back and forth between tasks. Think of it like a computer running multiple programs, only one is truly active and receiving processing power at any given moment. This rapid toggling gives the illusion of simultaneous action, but it comes at a significant hidden cost. This constant toggling incurs what scientists call a switch cost. Every time your brain shifts from one task to another, it experiences a brief moment of disorientation, having to reorient itself, recall relevant information, and re-engage with the new context. This isn't just about lost time. It's a measurable drain on your cognitive resources. Studies have shown that repeatedly switching tasks can lead to a 40% drop in productivity, increase errors, and make tasks take significantly longer to complete. Imagine trying to build a complex structure, but every few minutes, you have to switch tools and then remember exactly where you left off with the previous one. It's exhausting and inefficient. Despite these costs, why do we persist? Part of it is the illusion of productivity. The constant stimulation and the feeling of being busy can give us a dopamine hit, making us feel productive, even if our output suffers. However, this pattern of fragmented attention also leads to increased stress, mental fatigue, and even anxiety. Here's a stark fact. Research by the University of London found that constantly bombarding your brain with information can temporarily lower your IQ by up to 10 points, an effect similar to a night without sleep or smoking cannabis. Chronic multitasking has even been linked to a reduction in gray matter density in the anterior cingulate cortex, a region involved in empathy and cognitive control. Now, it's important to clarify what can be done simultaneously. We aren't talking about walking while talking, or listening to music while exercising. These are examples where one task is largely automatic and doesn't require significant conscious effort, allowing your brain to allocate its primary focus to the more demanding activity. Our brains are incredibly adept at automating habitual actions, freeing up our frontal cortex for novel or complex challenges. The crucial distinction lies between deeply ingrained, automatic processes and tasks that require active attention, decision-making, and problem-solving. True productivity in the modern world means understanding this difference. So, if multitasking is a myth and task switching is detrimental, what's the alternative? The answer lies in embracing single tasking and cultivating periods of deep work. Strategies like time blocking, where you dedicate specific uninterrupted periods to one task, or the Pomodoro technique, which uses focused work intervals followed by short breaks, can dramatically improve your focus and output. Create distraction-free environments, disable notifications, and train yourself to resist the urge to jump between demands. The real-world implications are profound. Higher quality work, fewer errors, reduced stress, and ultimately, a greater sense of accomplishment and mental clarity. The truth about multitasking isn't that we're bad at it, it's that our brains aren't wired for it in the way we've been led to believe. What appears to be efficiency is often a disguised form of self-sabotage, draining our energy and compromising the quality of our work. By understanding the cognitive costs and consciously choosing to single task, you can reclaim your focus, boost your genuine productivity, and experience a profound improvement in your mental well-being. If this video opened your eyes to the realities of multitasking, hit that like button. Share your own experiences with trying to juggle tasks in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on how to work smarter, not just harder.